Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get rid of the bad smells from your portable air conditioner, and I'm also going to explain what different odors can tell you about the problem. So the very first step that you need to do is to simply identify what the AC smells like. So sometimes a musty or damp smell usually means the mold or the bacteria are growing on the evaporator coil or inside the drain system. A burning smell may indicate the electrical problem, while a fishy odor can point to overheating electrical components. If the smell is musty, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply remove the air filter, and you just then have to wash or replace them. Then you need to inspect the evaporator coil and drain pan. The moisture trapped in these areas can allow the mold and the bacteria to grow, especially if the unit is used in the humid conditions. The next thing that you need to check is the condensate tank and the drain hose. So standing water inside the tank or partially blocked drain hose can quickly develop the unpleasant odors. So you need to simply make sure that you empty the tank, flush the drain hose with the clean water, and make sure that the water can flow out freely. Now after cleaning, you need to run the portable AC in the fan only mode, and you need to basically let it run for about 20 to 30 minutes at least before turning it off. So this dries the evaporator coil, and it is also going to help prevent the moisture from remaining inside the unit, reducing the chances of the odors returning. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.